Hello guys, today we are going to show us how to use this RF-V47 mini GPS tracker, which is designed by ReachFar technology. First of all, as you can see, this box is a very small package, and when you open this box, you can find the mini GPS tracker. Let's see what's inside. After unbox this one, we can find there is a cynical case for the mini GPS tracker. Besides, you can see there is a magnet USB cable, a screwdriver. It's so sweet. There is a pin needle to get the SIM card out, 2 spare screws, and let's see inside. There is a user manual. Its name is Multi-Function GPS Tracker. As we can see, the main functions: 2G GSM networks, waterproof IP67, that's great. LED rolling lights based on light sensor automatically. GPS positioning with accuracy of 5 meters outdoors. Web platform, phone app, SMS for position check, historical route, SOS button for help. That means this one can be also used for person because it has an SOS button. Geofence GPS Fence, stop counting, a step counting, voice monitor, low battery alarm, ringtone to find your pet, two-way voice communication. That means you can make a phone call as a mobile phone. And here are other features. The battery is 600 mAh and the weight is only 30 grams. Oh, one more thing you need to remember is that the SIM card, it needs to choose a micro SIM card, like this one. Also, it says you need to download a free application named AnyJacking. So first of all, let's open the SIM slot and insert the SIM card to check how does it work. First, we need to use a screwdriver. Let's get this out. Please check the direction of the SIM card. Means this way. Let's get it inside. When you hear a click, it is a push in, push out style. Now it's okay. Let's put it inside and use the screwdriver to fasten it. Wow, I hear a ringtone. I press this one. I hear a ringtone. It means it's power on right now. I guess this one is an LED sensor light. When you cover it, the LED light should be on. See? On the back of the device, you can find the ID number and the IMEI number, and here is also ReachFar's logo. This is the charging point. As you can see, this is the way how to charge it. Let's check the application. Here you can see the any tracking app. Its ID number. Here is ID number 2104099079, and as the user manual say, the default password is 123456. Log in. Here we can see all the functions here. On the top of the app, you can see the device is stationary, battery 83%. If you want to check its location, you can press here, real-time tracking. As you can see, it is here. The way it's same as my location of my mobile phone, so it shows nearby here. There is a setting icon. When you press the icon, there will be two options, signal refresh, and the other one is interval for uploading. Let's see what's inside. You can find there are 4 different modes. The first one is every 1 minute. The second every 10 minutes, and every 1 hour, every 12 hours. Those options is for the location uploading interval. Please remember, the shorter you choose, the battery will run faster. Let's see others. You can see historical route, the second one. Of course, I just turn on it, so it will shows only one location. Here you can see the location. The same time now is 29th December 18:33 and 48 seconds. As I used yesterday, we can check. No, the day before yesterday, we can check its location. Here we can check all the historical routes here. You can also change the speed of the display speed. You can see different locations. This option means show LBS points. LBS means when there is no GPS, the tracker will use cell phone tower to check. So when you press this one, you will find more locations. But as you know, LBS is not so accurate, so you can choose to fail it. Let's display the location. Wow, it's very great. We can also set Geofence GPS Fence. Here you can type its name, whatever you like test. And here to choose the Geofence range. You can make it bigger or smaller. Of course, usually we suggest you to make it about 300 meters, the radio. In this way you can avoid many fault alarms. And here, okay, then you can find I get another one. Now this is the Geofence. Besides Geofence, we can also find there it has step counting. Let's check the step counting as I used it the day before yesterday. We can find, wow, the step count is I used on that day. You can also set different time, open time of this step counting, and to set your step range. For example, my step is 45 cm, and your weight, oh, you can see my weight is 68 kilogram, and turn on this option. The other one, you have conversation. You can call to the checker. When you press it, you can call it. And the second one is voice monitoring. You can type your own telephone number, and then the device will call you. Of course, before that, you need to type in your number as the main monitor number. This number is mine. I already set it. And the first SOS number. Let's try it. Type my own number. Okay. See, the device called me. You can hear the voice. That's great. Let's see the settings. Firstly, you can see about the device. Here you can also edit the device number. For example, it's a person or it's a pet. You can name it whatever you like. For example, I name it pet. Device number you cannot choose. This ICC ID is used to recharge the SIM card fee by PayPal. Of course, I do not use the PayPal to charge it, so I no need to type anything here. The expired date means it can be used at least for 10 years. The device model V47, it cannot be changed. Here the device phone number. You can let me check what is the phone number. Pet tracker. This one, I can copy it and post it here. Contact, you can write any name you like. Contact the number, you can write your own telephone number, for example this one. After all setting, you can press this one. Please remember these two: failed LBS or failed Wi-Fi. If you do not want the location of LBS or Wi-Fi shown in the map, you can click here and save. Then everything done. You can also change the password, as default password is 123456. You can change to anyone else. The main monitor number, as you are the device owner, the pet and owner, you can write your own telephone number here. And you can also write other 3 numbers to get an SOS call when press this SOS button. Let's try the SOS function. When I press this for 3 or 5 seconds, you can hear beep 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 6 sounds. See? It calls me. As I said, it has a 2-way talk. Let's try it. Hello?
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 Yeah, it has two-way talk, as you can see. SMS alarm, you can turn it on or off. If you turn it on, you will get an SMS. You can turn it off, you will get no SMS alert. Sensor light, you can turn it on. Success. So when I turn off the light, you will check the device. The light will on automatically when it in darkness. Signal light, as you can see, here has two signal lights.
Now the time is 18.
It also has a time talking, clock talking. You can also turn off or turn on the signal lights. Ring to your tracker. So if you cannot find this device nearby, you can just press ring your tracker to make a ring, then to find this device. Let's try it. Wow, you can hear the sound here. When you find it, just press this one.
Now the time is
Then the sound will shut down.
44.
It also can set different time zone and languages. Of course, currently it only has English and Chinese options. Here is time zone. If your time is different from China, you can change this one. For example, let's see now. The time
is 18:45.
18:45. So if I change it to 7, you will find the time will be changed as well. Let's try it. Okay, let's listen again.
Now the time is 17:45.
See, it now shows 17:45. Okay, let's get it back. Oops. Timing switch, you can also set different time to power on and power off. Here is a remote reboot. Of course, this setting is used for when device has something problem and it cannot be powered off, then you can use this one. As this device cannot be powered off by the power button when it is in use. So if you want to power off it, you have to use the app setting to power off it. And here the factory setting reset. If you want to change the settings again, you can press this one. Let's try the power off function. Remote power off. Success. As we can see, there are also 3 other functions of this application. The first one is the alarm list. Just now I pressed the SOS alarm so I can find an alarm alert. Oh, I hear a sound. That means it has been powered off. When I press one of the SOS button, it will has no talking clock. That means it has been powered off. Of course, when I press 1, the light will on, but it is powered off. Please remember this. The reminder setting, when you get an application alarm, you can set different alarm mode: ringtone reminder by mobile phone, vibration alarm by mobile phone. The FAQ, it seems it has not finished yet and logged out. So as you can see, this is how to use this device. It's very small and very cute. You can try to put on this cynical case. It's a free one. That's very sweet. It's a gift. So if you want to use it on a pet, you can install this device on the pet collar easily, just by penetrate the collar into these two sides. So what do you like this one? Press 5 seconds and the device powered on. Here is the signal light. This is a really nice device. You can scan the QR code here to download the any tracking application. So if you like it, or if you want to buy this one, please comment in the video. You can contact me also. Thank you. Bye bye.